Hi everyone! Today we will present our design thinking project based on Spotify. Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming platforms in the world, but many users felt that it doesn't understand how they truly feel. So, our goal was to create an innovation to help Spotify become more human, emotional, and personal, and we used the design thinking methodology.
To begin, we focus on empathy, understanding the user's emotions. We interviewed several Spotify users, and many of them said that playlist doesn't always match like their real mood or their real feeling. And for example, one student told us that when he's stressed or he's sad, Spotify keeps playing upbeat songs and it feels like it doesn't get his match or like his mood. This insight helped us to realize that users want more like than just music. They want like have an emotional connection with the songs that they are listening.
Well, I'm going to define the main problem that we just focus on our design process. And this is because after studying our users, our main goal became clear. We center everything on one key question. And the question is, how might we help Spotify users feel emotionally understood and support to the music? And this question became our guide and changed our entire focus. Because we, at the first time, obviously before the main problem or the main question problem, is that we focus on helping users find new songs that it could be so easy, and now we focus on creating a real emotional connection. And we aren't just building a music player anymore, we are building a more caring app that provides real support. We want to create features that don't just match a mood, but also show users that their feelings are valid and understood. And this is the main problem that we look up, and we want to change.
In the ideation phase, we brainstorm as many ideas as possible, over 20 creative options. Some ideas included a feature that detects your emotions through your camera or microphone, a playlist that changes depending on your activities, like studying or working out, and even an idea that Spotify already implemented and we discussed it before being active. An AI assistant that chats with you about how you feel and recommends music. After discussing all these ideas, we chose the idea called Spotify Mood Journey, a feature that adapts your music based on your emotional state throughout the whole day.
Next, we create our prototype of Spotify Mood Journey. When you open the app, Spotify asks you how are you feeling today, and using your voice tone or your facial expression, the app detects your mood and recommends you playlists like Focus Mood, Stress Relief, or Happy Boost. You can also see a small graph that tracks your emotions over time, creating like your own emotional music journey. And it is like Spotify grows with you and your feelings.
This is a conclusion. We shared our prototype with a group of university students, and the feedback was very positive. They say the future made Spotify feel more human and personal. Some suggested adding motivational quotes or gentle reminds for mental. With the feedback, we improved our design and made it even more interactive. And through design thinking, we learned that innovation starts with empathy and understanding people real emotions.